Today, we will talk over some new innovative tools gathered regarding your next woodworking project. So whether you need something for cutting shrubs or smoothing any wood, stay till the end, as we are going to show you some new woodworking tools that you've never seen before. What if a tiny tool can take on bigger jobs? Count on this Stihl GTA26 to get the stylish and sleek way to pruning all the trees and shrubs. This tool stays alongside you with long cutting time and outstanding performance. And the tool-free chain replacement keeps you free from regular troubles and hassles. Not just that, the compact and light design makes it the best choice for you in the class. No wonder you can do both cleaning and rapid cuts with robust chain quality and high speed. Want to know the best part? It operates so quietly that'll definitely surprise you. Also, you'll be continuously notified about the remaining life to get the perfectly balanced projects. How to bring a uniform finish to your wooden surfaces? Add this Bosch GHO 12V-08N to your tool assembly and step up your game. This professional planer has next-level compactness and control that will provide you with superior control. You can quickly change the accessories as it is packed with a hex key and knife. You can adjust the depth of planing by pressing the release button. And yes, the V-groove mechanism stands for excellent edge chamfering. Do you know this fun fact? The ergonomic design and optimized hand position will make one-handed operations a breeze and keeps you productive. Here's the best way to attach delicate trims and drive thicker nails. This portable Metabo NT 1850 will literally make you feel like a pro. At first glance, you'll notice the surprisingly compact size and lighter weight in the category. And the fun part begins when you let this drive uncountable nails for your more significant projects with cordless convenience. Wondering how? This portable brad nailer runs on a powerful battery that will pick up the slack. And yes, it accepts all the standard size 18-gauge brad fasteners. So why are you waiting to get cordless freedom and the best operability for your next nailing task? It's time to create some professional quality cabinetry. So here is the all-in-one Milescraft Euro Hinge jig. Carries everything you need to complete cabinetry door mounting projects. And of course, you can work with both frameless and face-frame cabinets. More than that, it has settings for all of the most popular hinge styles and cup locations. More than that, the jig has a drill guide with metal bushing locks that creates a perfectly straight hinge cup hole. Another great part, there's a hinge marking guide that detaches from the bottom and allows you to finish your cabinet by hinge location to the wall or frame. Conventional drills never let you know how deep you're drilling. But surprisingly, the Robox XDrill will do it for you. This terrific drill assists with drill point coordinates, automatic depth control, and distance measurement. Not just that, it will automatically stop as it reaches a predefined depth. And want to know the cool thing? All that information shows on its smart display. Then, your imagination will come up with custom angle leveling to constantly drill in the same angle. So you will be able to drill confidently into hard surfaces with constant power and customize the drill speed according to the surface nature. When you met some rough and worn wood, this VEVOR Benchtop joiner will be your helping hand. The coolest part of this tool is its helpful motor that smoothens your wood in seconds. Worried about the planing width? No problem. This tool provides an ultimate planing width of 156 millimeters. And another great thing is you'll be able to create a clean working environment with the dust exhaust interface. Also, you'll get absolute safety and reliability for your wide applications. So now, you're ready to give any wood an exceptionally smooth finish. So that was the list of the new woodworking tools you've never seen before. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.